Okay guys, so ngayon magko-connect naman tayo ng domain using Bluehost. So again, punta lang tayo sa domain. Punta tayo sa settings and then domain. And then since wala pang domain, connect natin. And then we need to create a sub-account. So let's say insurance plus the domain name. So hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung main domain kasi active website siya. So ang gagawin natin, we need to create a subdomain. So again, our subdomain is insurance. Kahit ano pwede dito. Then let's add the main domain. Make sure don't add the HTTP, just the main domain. Continue. And then, add the record manually. So, pwede ding continue. So, lalabas din dyan yung record. Or, pwede din add record manually. So, CNAME, insurance. So, ito lang kailangan natin. So, i-add natin tong record na to kay Bluehost. So, before natin i-verify yung record, make sure na ma-add muna natin to kay Bluehost. So, punta tayo kay Bluehost. Then, domain. Settings, and then dito na tayo mag-a-add ng record. So, add record. So, ano ba kailangan natin? CNAME refers to. So, dito, since meron tayong subdomain, lalagyan natin dito other host, and then yung host name natin is insurance. And then, alias is gonna be this one, the required value. Then, paste natin dyan. Leave it 4 hours. Then, add. So, ganun lang kasimple mag-add ng record kay Bluehost. Now, if you think hindi nyo siya kayang gawin or magkaroon kayo ng problema dito, merong error, you just need to connect the chat support. Click nyo lang tong start new and sila na yung mag-fix ng problem. Actually, pwede nyo nga silang kontakin to add that record if you're not comfortable doing it. But since, para lang sigurado. Pero again, madali lang naman to. Pinakontak ko lang ang support pag nagkaroon lang ng error or hindi ako sure sa gagawin ko. Balik tayo kay Go High Level and then click natin yung Verify Records. Okay, so that means connected na siya. So, ilagay lang natin siya kung kaninong funnel natin siya ilalagay. Which is open and then finish. And ayan na siya. Domain is connected. Yun lang guys. Bye!